Today we're going to be making herb pocket planters. First thing you're going to need is your pockets. For these I sewed on the little pockets. Okay. If you're not handy, don't want to sew, use glue. E6000 glues anything to anything else. I just glued the little pockets right onto this piece of material. If you don't want to do that, you can buy pockets pre-made. No work. The only thing is none of these pockets have any backing on them. So when they have plants in them with soil and you water it, they're going to get wet on the back. So to solve that problem, I just bought this little storage container from Michaels for about $5. And we're going to use, actually I'm going to use both, so I'm going to make two of them. And we're going to attach the material in the box. So now we don't have an issue with the water getting on the wall, creating mold or mildew issues. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Then we have our hangers to attach them to the wall. And then if you don't have enough light in your kitchen, you can even get a little LED clip-on light to give your herbs some supplemental light. Herbs don't need a lot of light because they're not making fruit the way, tomatoes would. And you'll probably inhibit them from going into flower, which you don't want anyway because you want the flavorful leaves. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut our holes in the back to attach our hangers. Now I have power tools and I will be using them. So I'm just going to drill a hole. If you don't have power tools, ask a friend to borrow their power tools. An X-Acto knife or not, because they're very small. Okay, so we're going to take our number 8 machine screws and nut. Going to flip it over, put the nut in there. Now when we tighten it, it'll tighten down to the nut. Alright, nice and tight. So I took one of the plants out of the containers and I put it in a little pocket, and I want to just check the spacing. Okay, so I think right there. And now we're going to use our E6000 to glue it in. Now that we know where we want it, we can just fold this back. And you can even fold over the sides if you want. I would wait till the glue in the middle sets up before you try and pull over the sides. And then give it about 10-15 minutes to dry. Now we're ready to plant. Slide your plant into the pocket. Add some soil. This is a combination of the soil that was in the plant, and I mixed in some of the same soil I used for the terrarium, which is a lighter mix. That's all there is to it. Let's clean it up. Here we have our 2 herb pocket planters that we just made. A little light, hang in your kitchen, and snip and cook, and you're good to go. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. These planters will be raffled off at the Long Island Horticultural Society's May Get Together, May 15th. Watch your email for more information. Thank you.